Hello everyone. In this video I am going to send a string of characters on power line powered by 220 volts AC. So as you can see in this setup, this is the transmitter and this is the receiver. The transmitter is going to send a string of characters and the receiver should be able to receive the same string. I will be sending the data from the transmitter over the power line and I will be receiving it on the receiver. We will be seeing the responses on the transmitter and the receiver console. So as you can see, this is the complete setup. This is the far view of the setup. So I will briefly explain the circuit. So this is the transmitter unit. You can see the transmitter is sending some string of characters. So here is the main transmitter unit. This is the Arduino Uno sending the data. The main transmitter unit is isolated from the Arduino Uno. You can see inside is the optical isolator. So in the previous video, you can find detailed circuit diagram about this transmitter and receiver. So this transmitter is FSK transmitter, frequency shift keyed transmitter, and this transmitter is dumping the FSK data over the power line using this transmitter coupling transformer. The receiver coupling transformer is receiving the data from the power line and it is demodulating the data and comparing with the inside internally with different comparators and shifting the logic levels to the proper level, and it is received on the receiver Arduino. Finally, the data is displayed on the computer console. So now let us look into the consoles. The power line is not yet on. We will be looking into the computer console and we will be observing the data flow. So as you can see here, this is the computer console. So you can see here, this is the transmitter console. So you can see here, this is the transmitter console. You can see here. You can see this is the transmitter console. This console is transmitting the data, and this is the receiver console. This console is receiving the data. See, I am sending a string of characters. Hi Rupjit, greetings, and I am receiving the same string here. You can see I am receiving the same string here. So now presently the power line is off. So now let me switch on the power line and we will be observing the results. So I am going to switch on the power line. I have switched on the power line. Let me show you. You can see the power line is now switched on. The bulb is now glowing and the data is flowing over the 220 volts AC mains line. Now if you look into the transmitter and receiver console, you can see the data flow is correct. You can see here, I am transmitting, hi Rupjit, greetings. This is my transmitter string and the same data I am receiving on the receiver. You can see the same string I am receiving on the receiver. You can see the same string I am receiving on the receiver. So whatever data I am transmitting on the transmitter, this is the transmitter console and this is the receiver console. So both the data are same. There is no error in the data. Correctly the data is received. So like this we can transmit data signals over power line 220 volts AC mains line. So this is the far view of my setup. You can see 220 volts AC main line is on. You can see the receiver console is receiving the data. Arduino lamp is blinking, and you can see here this is the transmitter console. It is sending the data. So in this video I am not going to show the waveforms. The waveforms and the detailed circuit I have already discussed in the previous video. Please watch my previous video for detailed circuit diagram for the transmitter and receiver units. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.